One theme that should be very clear by now is that testing is king in the world of e-commerce. This principle applies to Facebook ad strategy. In order to avoid situations where you run into roadblocks like ad fatigue and audience fatigue, I recommend that you spend 10% of your budget always testing new creatives and new audiences, especially new interests. At any given time, my team and I are spending 10% of our budget, even today, testing new things. You're gonna wanna do all of this within the same geographically locked campaign. So all new testing in the United States is going on in the US campaign while it's running things that are already working. I've noticed that the best way to test new creatives is to do so with ad set duplicates of ones that are already working, a combination of interest and LAAs. So if you've had 4 different types of LAAs and 4 different types of interest that have historically done really, really well for you, how are you gonna test new creatives? You're gonna just duplicate them and put new creatives in them. And that's as easy as that. As much as you are continuously testing, the better your ad account performance is gonna be in the long run. So what happens when we have ad fatigue? We just reach into our testing bank, we pull out creatives that are already proven through testing and just plug them in for scale. The goal is to always have creatives that you are currently running and scaling with, and then you have creatives that are on the back burner that you know are gonna work from testing to plug in at any time, and then always testing new creatives that you can now put in queue. So at any given time, you can think about your creative process as creatives you are using for scale, creatives that can be used for scale, and then creatives that are going through testing for validation.